I love when they include just, you know, basic necessity type of shadows like these that you would need or want for building a really beautiful smoky eye, or, you know, just to frame different looks with. I always think it's necessary, so I appreciate that.
Hey guys, it's Kathleen. Today is the day. We are officially restocking the Zodiac collection today, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm so excited. If you didn't get a chance to get the full collection, we are restocking today. I'm going to be swatching the entire Zodiac collection for you guys right now. I'm going to do a quick little eye look, but I'm going to be swatching the highlighters on my face. I'm going to swatch the palette on my arm, and then I'm going to try on the lipsticks, and I'm also going to show you swatches of the super. So these are the swatches. I have hair on my arm, so ignore the little hairs you see. But look at this magic. Ugh, Pisces. Okay, so I've already done one eye. This is my favorite 2-minute smoky eye. Whenever I'm in a rush and I really gotta get out the door, you can use all of the earth colors and it'll be a very natural everyday look. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Taurus. Once you have that color packed on your entire lid and blend it into the crease, you're gonna take the Virgo shade right here, which is a deeper chocolatier brown. And I'm gonna focus this color closer to my lash line. I'm not gonna take it as high as I did the Taurus. I'm going to take the Capricorn in the palette, which is the black with all the glitter, and I'm going to take a tiny little pencil brush, and I'm going to focus this color really close to my lashes, kind of like an eyeliner. I always use this Capricorn color as an eyeliner, and I just tap off the brush. I went ahead and did the exact same steps on the lower lash line, but for my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna take the Cancer. It's my favorite, and I'm gonna pop that on. Bam! So bright. These are the two Super Shock cheeks that are restocking today. On the Cusp is my favorite, but Fire is also beautiful. I'm gonna show you both of them right now on my face. So first I'm gonna take Fire. So beautiful. On my finger, and I'm going to show you how it looks on my skin. And on the Cusp is a little bit lighter, more champagne silver. This is more gold. So let me show you this one. This one's a bit more intense. There are 2 Luxe lipsticks in the collection. The first one is What's Your Sign? It's my favorite nude ever. This color is a little bit more bold, but still really wearable as well. I love it so much. And then the 2 supernovas in the collection are Astrology and Constellation. So amazing. Astrology is a sister shadow. Astrology is a sister shadow to Telepathy. The supernova shadow, no, the Super Shock shadow I created with Colourpop. Look at that. Look at that. And then this one is called Constellation. This one is a little bit more wearable, more champagne pink. Really frosty and gorgeous. So that's all from me. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. And don't forget to check out the Zodiac collection that restocks today, 10 a.m.
showing you guys how to get this amazing Zodiac look. But it's called like the Not My Arms challenge.
Oh yeah, Not My Arms.
I want to do like a bronzy gold, like smoky, very smoky.
Wow.
That's what we're doing. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this amazing Zodiac look.